All right.
Down here, got some of the coolant we can show you. That's pretty much standard stuff. Filter, pump, magnetic conveyor, that's all in there. This is our transformer. We're crossing over for the 230 volts to the machine. Control, coolant pump plugs, receptacles for the motors. One's for the conveyor, one's for the coolant pump motor. Main disconnect.
Can't really read that, but
No, they're hard. Main panel, Siemens drive, spindle drive, switchgear, card rack, processor, floppy drive with the system software, documentation, schematics are all in here. They're all good. It's pretty much straightforward on that. Machine transformer for the low voltage, 230, whether you need it or not. Chip pan down low. Tooling as you come around here. Maybe get some of the clamping area. Coolant. Start holding it over here. Got some tooling here. Got this guy here. Got one in there now. It's about 1/4 inch. Air is on for positive air drive. Got our cooling. Cover open, a little bit up inside here maybe. Go. Reciprocation, spindle drive motors down under here, and control, pretty much.
okay.
All right, control on. We'll go right to a program we have in here. Go into setup. Let's retrieve a saved setup, which is called ROD. ROD 2, we got 2 programs I put in here. Let's retrieve the first one, it's good enough. And those are all the values that are preset on there. Next screen. Again, values for the tools recommended. We've got number 34 there. And once that's all been entered, this is all calculated in the processor. It gives you the feedback of what you are going to be running at. Next screen asks you to set the indicator and the tool size by tool expansion here. So we're going to bring the tool in about 1/4 inch. And if you stay there, I'm going to hit enter now, and it's going to set itself. There, that's happy. And we move on to the next screen, which is loading. We're going to do manual loading. Now we go to initialize. And initialize is over here. This takes about 40 seconds to calibrate. So go all the way down to just about here where the grease line ends for the stroke on this part. That takes care of that. Position setup, we'll just move the stroker back and forth once. It needs to see that, so I'm going to jog the stroker back a little bit. Come on back in. Now I'm going to hit enter. It'll set the stroker. That's good. And now we move slow stroke. Same reason, just to get it back and forth up on the part. Even though we're doing a dry run, I'll go through the motion. Slow stroke down here. That's a slow stroke. So now we're ready, the part's ready, we're loaded up, we're all set. Go to the next screen, we're getting close here. We just about got our setup in. Sets itself. These are all the air switches and positions where you want your air fixturing. Right now we're only running one clamp, which is the red on, and then clamp off, which is green at the end of the cycle. That's it. So we go to next screen, and we go to a run menu, and we are now ready to start cycle. You ready, Pete? Here we go. Start cycle. And of course, after we do a couple of these, we go up to the screen how the rapid to feed in the wedge position. Make your pick. So if you guys do this, we'll do one more just like this. We're feeding. Spark out now. Dwell. And it'll go back. Shrink the tool again. After tool retraction, we're done. We'll do another cycle start. Why don't you stay up here? We'll do one more. There's rapid expansion. There's speed expansion, slowly, and then spark out. That's it.
Can you hit once more so I take the whole thing?
Right, we get this, we get the whole way.
Right.
Here we go. Cycle start. There we go. Spindle, reciprocation. The motor, that's the Siemens drive. One more, B? One more? You okay? Yeah. And that's it. Cover's open. We did a dry run, no coolant. We did 6 cycles. There we go.
Thanks, Rod.
You got it. Good luck, gentlemen. Hope you enjoy the machine. It runs well.